Should I call a professional roofing contractor or should I try to do the work myself? For those bold enough to attempt roof repairs themselves, they need to bear in mind that it is dangerous up there on the roof. It is important to remember that roof repairs should only be attempted by experienced professionals. Even if you feel confident about your ability to do the job, it is best not to take any chances when it comes to something as critical as your home's roofing system. A professional roofing contractor will have access to the right tools and materials for the job, ensuring that all work is completed safely and correctly. When it comes to roofing, it is important to make sure that the job is done right. Whether you're replacing an old roof or installing a new roof, it is best to hire a professional roofing contractor. There are many benefits to hiring a professional roofing contractor. For starters, they have the experience and knowledge to properly assess the condition of your roof and determine the best course of action. They can also provide advice on the best materials to use for your roof, as well as the most cost-effective way to complete the job. In addition, professional roofers have access to the right tools and materials for the job. This means that they can complete the job quickly and efficiently, while also ensuring that all safety protocols are followed. Finally, a professional roofer like J.K. Johns Roofing is licensed and insured, so you can rest assured that any damage or accidents that occur during the job will be covered. This can provide peace of mind and help to protect your home and your wallet. Overall, hiring a professional roofing contractor is the best way to ensure that your roof is installed correctly and safely. We have the experience and knowledge to assess the condition of your roof and determine the best course of action, as well as access to the right tools and materials for the job. If you're looking to replace or install a new roof, make sure to hire a professional roofing contractor to ensure that the job is done right. Plus, they can provide valuable advice on how to best maintain or improve your existing roof structure over time. Stay on the ground and let us do the climbing. Contact us today to learn more about our services and to get started on your roofing project. Get a quality roofing quote from J.K. Johns Roofing. 352-754-8600